Impossible is a word to be found only in the dictionary of fools. Victory belongs to the most persevering. A leader is a dealer in hope. Courage isn't having the strength to go on. It is going on when you don't have strength. The strong man is the one who is able to intercept at will the communication between the senses and the mind. You must not fight too often with one enemy, or you will teach him all your art of war. History is a set of lies agreed upon. A soldier will fight long and hard for a bit of colored ribbon. Glory is fleeting, but obscurity is eternal. Ability is nothing without opportunity. The battlefield is a scene of constant chaos. The winner will be the one who controls that chaos, both his own and the enemy's. 10 people who speak make more noise than 10,000 who are silent. He who fears being conquered is sure of defeat. You become strong by defying defeat and by turning loss into gain. Great ambition is the passion of a great character. Men are moved by 2 levers only: fear and self-interest. The surest way to remain poor is to be an honest man. The best way to keep one's word is not to give it. If you want a thing done well, do it yourself. Death is nothing, but to live defeated and inglorious is to die daily. A leader is a dealer in hope. The art of being sometimes audacious and sometimes very prudent is the secret of success. The great proof of madness is the disproportion of one's designs to one's means. History is a version of past events that people have decided to agree upon. Impossible is a word to be found only in the dictionary of fools. The world suffers a lot, not because of the violence of bad people, but because of the silence of good people. The strongest is never strong enough to be always the master, unless he transforms strength into right and obedience into duty. The most dangerous moment comes with victory. A true man hates no one. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Hardships often prepare ordinary people for an extraordinary destiny. Seedling personal growth quotes.